Good morning class. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss the index of method, last index of method and search method. Before going to start our today's lecture, first of all we recall the previous lecture's point. In previous lecture we studied the string which shows a series of character and it is written inside the double quote, or also we can write inside a single quote also. Next point we studied in the string is the property of string. There are multiple properties and methods of a string. Length is the property of string which returns the length of string. Next point we studied in previous lecture is manipulation of string. Manipulation means performing operation on a string like a concatenation of a string, finding length of string, changing the case of a string, etc. Next point we studied in previous lecture is the joining of string or concate a string. Joining of string means that combining two or more strings together. And string concatenation means joining a two string to create a new string by placing a copy of second string behind a copy of first string. There are mainly two methods to join a string. First of all, by using concatenation operator means a plus operator we can join a two string, or by using a concat function or method we can join or combine a two string. Using concatenation operator or in this method it is used to join a two separate strings, or concat function is used to join two or more strings together in a JavaScript. This method does not change the existing string but returns a new string. Means concat function or concat method does not change the existing string but it returns a new string. Next point we discussed in previous lecture is retrieving a character from a given position. Means by using a caret function or caret method we retrieving a character from a given position, or caret method returns the character at the specified index in a string. This is all about the previous lecture's point. Let us see today's lecture's point one by one. In today's lecture we will discuss the index of method which retrieves a position of character in a string. It retrieves a position of character in a string. In previous lecture, we studied to retrieve a character from a given position. Means by using caret method we retrieve a character from given position. Here by using index of method we retrieve a position of character in a string. The index of method returns the index number of a character or a substring within a string. It returns the index number of a character. In previous lecture, caret function returns or caret method returns the character from the given position. It returns the position from a given character. In a JavaScript, string index of method is used to search the position of a particular character or a string in a sequence of a given character values or given char values. The index position of the first character in a string is always start with the 0. The first character in a string is always start with the 0, and if the element is not found or not present in a string, it returns -1. Suppose in a string the element is not present or string is not present, then it returns a -1. And note down or remember that the index method is a case sensitive method. The syntax of index method is string dot index of char or substring. Here you write char or substring also comma start, and you can also write this syntax like this: string dot index of search value comma start or index. Here you can write start or index also. In this, substring or substr is a string or a character that we want to search, and start is an optional. This is an second parameter or second argument is a optional argument which specifies the position within the string to begin the search. It specifies the position, means it specifies the index from where the search is starts. There are some example here. This is the example of index of method. Search a string for a welcome. It searches the string for a welcome. Here one variable where str is declared and in that hello world, welcome to the universe. This is the string. In this given string we find out the index of welcome string or a character. Document.write here string dot or str dot index of a welcome. It returns the 12 because it is placed at the 12th position or tells the index. Here index starts from or a first character in a string is always starts with the 0. So that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Welcome is placed at a 12th position. So it returns the 12 on a web page or it returns the result as a 12. Okay, this is the index of method, the syntax of index of method and the example of index of method. There are some other methods or some methods used to search the position of an element. This is the methods which is used to search the position of an element. By using index of ch means it represents a single character to search like A. Single A is a character to search like A. It returns the index position of character value passed with the method. Here whatever the character value is passed, it returns the index position of that character value. Next is the index of ch comma index. Index of ch comma index. It search or it starts searching the element from provided index value. Here in the second index or second start which provides value or index value, it starts the searching of the element and then returns the index position of a specified character value. It provides the position of a specified character value. Next, index of string. Here you can also pass a string. By using character also you can find the index of character, means a single character value. You find the index of single character value also. You find the index of a string value also. Here by using string or by to find out the string value you can use a str only here. It returns the index position of first character of string passed with the method. And the index of str index, it returns also start searching the element from the provided index value and returns the index position of the first character of a string. These are the parameters. ch, it represents the single character to search like A is the ch. Here index, it represents the index position from where search starts. Here you can also write a second arguments second arguments index. Also here str, it represents the string to search like a Java and return an index of a particular character. This is the some methods to search the position of an element. You can also pass the character or character with the index. You can also pass the string or you can also pass the string with the index. By using these four methods you can find out the position of an element or search the position of an element. Next point is this is the JavaScript index of methods. First example, here we will print the position of a single character. By using a single character or by passing a single character, we will print the position of that single character. Here in this example, HTML body and script tags are included. In that script tag, here web is a variable. We declare I am declaring one variable, that is web, is equal to passing a string learn JavaScript on a Java point. Java T point is the string, and I am finding index of A. It finds the index of A, means it returns the position of single character A. And document.write, by using write method, web.index of is displayed on a web page, or whatever the index of A, it will print on a web page. Here 0, 1, 2, at the second position A is placed, so that output of this program is a 2. It displays 2 on a web page. This is the simple example of index of method. Next point is the next example. In various ways to searching the position of an element within the with the help of example. And this example will explain one by one. I am explaining these examples one by one. In this example, we will provide the index value. Here I am providing index value from where the search starts. In this example, here again I am taking one variable web is equal to same string, that is learn JavaScript on a Java T point. And in that string we find a character, but it starts from the, here I am providing index value, that is 5, where the search starts. At the 5th position it starts the searching of A, so that it searches from 5th position, 0, 1, 2. At the 2nd position also A is present, but I am passing the index value, so that it starts the searching from the 5th position, so that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the 5th position it starts the character A, so that 5, 6 and 7, it present or A present at the 7th position, so that the output of this second example is a 7, so that it displays 7 on a web page. This is the second simple example. Here I am passing the index value with the character. Next is a third example. Here we will print the position of first character of a string. Here in this example I am passing only the string, that is Java. In this example, here web is a variable which stores or which assigns the string, that is learn JavaScript on a Java T point. And in that we find the index of Java. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the 6th position Java is present, so that it returns the 6 on a web page. This is the third example which prints the position of the first character of a string. Next is the example that this is the example will provide the index value from where the search start. Means here with the string we provide, or I am providing the index value from where the search starts. It starts from the second index. So that 0, 1, 2, it starts the finding of welcome from the second position. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. At the 6th position welcome is a present, so that it returns the index of 6th position. Welcome is presented at the 6th position, so that it returns the 6 on a web page. This is the example. This is the 4 examples or a simple example of finding index of we can find the index of character also, string also, with the index value also. We can find with the index value also character and string. And the next example is that in this example we will provide the index value from where the search starts, and in this example we will provide 2. Index value is 2, but high is not presented in this string, so that it returns -1. It returns -1 because it is not presented in the given string, so that it returns -1. If the element is not present in a string, at that time it returns -1, so that high is not presented in this string, so it returns -1. Next is a write a JavaScript code to retrieve position of a given character from a string. Let us see code to retrieve position of a given character from a string. Let us see. First of all, take a notepad. In a notepad, write first of all HTML tag. After HTML, take a head tag, and in a head tag, write a title tag. In a title, I am writing index of method as a title. After that, I am closing the title tag. After closing a title tag, I am starting the close the head tag. After closing the head tag, I am starting a body tag. In that body tag, write a script tag. And in a script tag, I am assigning one variable, that is var. Suppose here I am taking str as a variable and declare or initializing a string to that str variable. Here I am declaring hello, welcome to JavaScript world as a string. Hello, welcome to JavaScript world. This is my string which is assigning to the str variable. After that, by using write method, I am printing the index of result on a web page. Here document.write position is equal to, here I am passing str dot index of here first of all I am passing the single index or finding the single character. I am finding the position of O, and here using the break tag because I am again printing the positions or finding the index of string also. Here by using document.write, I am finding the position of position. Here I am finding position with the index value of O. Here again str dot index of, I am finding the position of O, but it starts the index value from 5. It starts the index, I am passing the index value start from a 5th position. In this way, again I am printing document.write. Here I am passing some string value. Here position of string is equal to suppose plus str dot index of, here I am passing the string welcome. Next, same for the string or with the string, I am passing the index value for that string. Document.write, here position with the index is equal to suppose plus str dot index of suppose welcome is the string, and here index is starting from 5. And again I am printing document.write the position of not presented elements in a string. Means the elements which is not presented in a string means it returns -1, and here I am passing the string or finding the index of that string which is not presented in this string. Here hi, I am passing hi as a string, and here close the document.write method, close the script tag, close the HTML tag, close the body tag and close the HTML tag. In this example, first string or str is the variable which assigning or initializing the string value, that is hello welcome to JavaScript world, and by single character or character with index of single string or single with string with the index of, I am passing the or finding the index of that characters and a string also, and here also I am passing one element which is not present in that string so that it returns -1. Let us see output of this program. First of all, save this program with some name. Here I am taking file name as a index of HTML. Okay, let us see the output of this program. This is the output of our program. In the given program, first we finding the index of O, which is presented at the position of fourth position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At the fourth position, O is presented so that it returns 4 on a web page or printed 4 on a web page. Next is a 0, 5. At the fifth position or from the fifth position, it starts the searching of O character so that the element which is or O character which is presented at the fifth position, it returns the 10 because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 after fifth position we starting the character of O so that it returns 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It returns 10 on a web page. Next is a welcome. Welcome is a string which is presented at the sixth position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. At the sixth position it is presented. Then again welcome, 5. 5 is the index value which starts welcome to find the at the fifth position. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth. After fifth position, it starts the searching of welcome string so that it returns the 6. At the sixth position, welcome is presented so that it returns 6 on a web page. And hi, which is not, this element is not presented on the given string so that it returns -1 on a web page. This is the index of method. Next point is the last index of method. The last index of method searches and returns the index number of the last occurrence of the character or a substring with the string and searches the string from end to beginning. It searches the string from end to beginning. The last index of method returns the position of last occurrence of a specified value in a string. Index of method searches or returns the index number of a character or substring within a string. But last index of method returns the position of last occurrence of a specified value in a string. Note that the last index of method is a case sensitive and the last index of position of a first character in a string is always start with a 0. If the element is not present in a string, it returns -1. Like index of method, it is position of the first character is always starts with a 0. It is case sensitive and suppose element is not present in a string, it returns the -1. This is the syntax of last index of string dot last index of search value comma start. Here the value of start can be between 0 to the length of string. It starts from the 0 to the length of string. And this is the example of last index of method. Search the string for the last occurrence of a planet. Planet is presented in the string 2 times so that it find out the last index of a planet, so that it returns 35. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the 6th position planet is also present, but it returns the last index of that planet, so that it returns 35 as a output. Here in this example, str is a variable and a hello planet Earth, you are a great planet is the string. And document.write, by using a write method, I am printing string.last index of planet. I am searching the string planet of the last index of a planet, so that it returns 35 on a web page. Like an index of method, the last index of method supports an optional second argument. It supports the index value, that is second argument, to specify the starting location of the search. This is the example. We add the index value. Here in this string, a string to test JavaScript string methods. This is the start searching, and in a position variable we storing the string dot last index of methods value, so that, and a string is the variable, or string is a string which starts from finding at the 20th position, means start the searching backward 20 characters from the end. It starts the searching from the backward characters up to 20 from the end, so that it returns 2. At the second position 0, 1, 2. At the second position string is present, and in this position also string is present, but it returns the 2 because here I am passing the index value, so that it starts searching from the not from first position, it starts the searching backward position or from the end, so that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here from a script it starts the searching the string or a string characters, so that string is present at the 0, 1, 2 second position, so that it returns the 2 on a web page. This is the last index of, which is the same like a index of method. We can add a second argument also like a index of method, but it returns the position of last occurrence of a specified value in a string. Next point is the write the JavaScript code to find out the last index of a given character from a string. Let us see the code of to find out the last index of given character from a string. First of all, take a notepad, and in that first of all write the HTML tag. After that I am writing a head tag. After taking a head I am taking a title tag, and in that title I am assigning a title as taking a title as last index of is my title, and close the title tag. After closing a title tag, close the head tag and open a body tag. In that body tag, first of all take a script tag, and in a script tag first I am taking one variable, that is var string, that is str is equal to, and here I am passing a simple string, that is hello world, or assigning a string, that is hello world, to str, and after that I am printing finding the last index of that hello or a simple character, that is document.write. Here at the last position, here I am passing last position is equal to str dot last index of I and O, write I and O capital in the method of last index of, and here I am passing the L, and I am finding the position of L or last position of L, and here close the script tag and close the body and HTML tag. In this example, first of all save this example with the last index of name with the extension .html. Save this program and let us see the output of this program. It returns 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 on a, because L is presented at the third, 0, 1, 2, present at 0, 1, 2, second and third position also, but it returns 9 because it is presented at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At the last position, it presented at the 9 index or 9th position, so that it returns 9 on a web page. Let us see output of this program. This is the output of our program. Last position is equal to 9, so that it returns 9 on a web page. This is our code. Suppose here you write, instead of L, you write a O and save this file and check the output. It returns 7 because O is presented at the 7th position. Last index of O is a 7th because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At the 4th position O is also presented, but 5, 6, 7 at the 7th position, last index of the O is a 7, so that it returns the 7 and on a web page. This is the last index of. Suppose here I am passing the hi as a string and find the last index of hi string and see the output. It returns -1 because hi is not presented or hi element is not presented in this string, so that it returns -1. This is all about the last index of method. Next point is the search method. The search method searches a string for a specified value and returns the position of the match. Means if it is matched, then it returns the position. It first of all searches string for a specified value. Suppose here W3 school is the specified value or a string, and it returns the 6 on a web page because it returns the position if it is matched or it is found on a. The search method is similar like a index of method, but we cannot add the second argument in a search method. And the search method or a search value can be a string or a regular expression. Here one change is there in a search method. It add as a value to string or it is a regular expression also. And this method returns -1 if no match is found. Like a last index of or index of, it returns -1 if it is not found. And the search method is similar to the index of method. The syntax of search method is string dot search a search value comma or a regular expression. You can write here string also or a regular expression also. Regular expression represents the regular expression which is to be searched. Here is the example of search methods. Here search for a W3 schools. Here I am taking one variable, that is str is equal to visit W3 schools. And here I am searching that by using the search method, that is str.search W3 schools, and storing this search result to on a n variable and print by using document.write. Here I am not printing but print this message on a print this message by using write method, and it will return the 6 on a web page because it is presented. W3 schools is presented and it returns the position of match. Means search method, if the string is presented for a specified value, it returns the position of that match. so that it presents 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. W3 is presented at the 6th position, so it will return the 6th position. Or you can write here regular expression also. Here search for W3 schools and where str is equal to visit W3 schools, and here in n variable I am storing the search method or a search result str.search W3 schools, and this is called as W3 schools. It also returns the 6 on a web page. This is the / W3. This is called as a pattern. It also returns the 6 on a web page. We can use a string here or search value as a string or a regular expression also. Let us see what is meant by regular expression. In a JavaScript, a regular expression, rollovers and frames are the chapter number 5. We will discuss in a next video lectures what is meant by regular expression. But in a short I am explaining what is meant by regular expression, the syntax of regular expression, and what is meant by pattern. Let us see. First of all, regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a specific search pattern. It is a sequence of characters and it is used that forms a specific search pattern. And this search pattern can be used for operations like a text search or a text replace. It is used for the performing operations like the text search or a replace. Here this is the syntax of regular expression. Here pattern within a slashes, and after that you can add a modifier. This is the optional argument. Modifier is a optional argument, and pattern it is a string that states the pattern of a regular expression. It states the pattern, and the modifier it is optional field which may contain any G, I and M. Here you can place in a pattern, you can search some string or pass some string, and after the / you can add the G or I or a M. This is the attributes that provide the global, case insensitive and multi-line matches. Here example of regular expression is that where P is equal to regular expression of I. Here in the / student, this is the / and student. This is called as a pattern. And student is a pattern to be used for searching within a text, and I is the modifier that modifies the search to be case insensitive. I means it is case insensitive. This is used or to find in a search method also, or we can use this pattern in a search method also, and means that it ignores the case of a letters to search the string based on a patterns. Let us see one example of how to search, or a simple example to search for a string. Here scripting is a string. We search this string and returns this string on a web page. Here where str is the variable and this is the string. JavaScript is a scripting language and scripting languages are often interrupted. In a document.write-ln also we can write the message on a or print the message on a web page. str.search scripting. Here scripting, I am finding the scripting and this is presented at the two places. Scripting with the lowercase letter or scripting it is a case sensitive. Case means it is S is a uppercase letter, and after that scripting is in a lowercase letter. This is the two scripting which is presented in this string. First of all, it searches the scripting string 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. At the 16th position, scripting is present, so that it returns 16 on a web page because it is presented at the 16th position. So match is found means scripting is present, so that it will return the position of that matches, so that it returns the 16 on a web page. Let us see the next point. Next is the example 2. In this example, we will see that search method is a case sensitive method. Here scripting is presented in a two times, so that scripting in a previous example we find out the first scripting. It returns the 16 on a web page because it is presented at the 16th position. Here I am finding the search method is a case sensitive. Here string str is equal to JavaScript is a scripting language, or a scripting language are often interrupted. And by using the right method, I am printing or storing the result, that is I am printing the result of search method, that is str.search scripting. This is the regular expression. It finds out the scripting. First of all, it finds at the 16th position scripting is presented, but it returns 36 because it is a case sensitive. So that after 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the 36th position scripting is present, so that it returns the 36 on a web page because the search method is also a case sensitive method. Next point or next example is performing a case insensitive search, means we can ignore the case sensitive behavior of a search method. In previous lecture, in previous example, we see the case sensitive or a search is a case sensitive method. In that it returns 36 because scripting is presented at the two sides, so that scripting is presented at the 36 or a 16 also. But here in this scripting, I am passing the I as a modifier, means I is a case insensitive. Or in this example, this scripting is a regular expression scripting pattern, and the scripting is a pattern to be used for searching within a text, and I is a modifier. This I is called as a modifier that modifies the search to be case insensitive. Here I am passing as a modifier I, so that it is a case insensitive, and string will and it will return 16 on a web page because JavaScript or a scripting string is presented at the 16th, which we see in a example number first. Next is a example number 4th. In this example, we will search a regular expression which is not present in a given string. Java T point which is not presented in a given string, so that it return -1. Like index of, last index of, it will return -1 if it is not presented in a given string. Next point is to implement the search method of a string. We implement a search method of a string. Let us see example of search method or code of a search method. First of all, take a notepad. In that notepad, write the HTML tag. After that, take a head tag. In head tag, write a title tag. And here I am taking a title as a search and close the title tag. After closing the title tag, I am taking a body tag, and in that body tag I am writing a script tag, and in a script tag I am taking one variable, that is str, and passing or assigning value to that variable. JavaScript is a scripting language. JavaScript is a scripting language, and after that, by using document.write method, I am searching the scripting string. Here str dot search. First of all, it will search the scripting. Here, take a break tag. After that, again I am finding or assigning a regular expression, document dot write, taking str dot ch search in a regular expression, that is scripting. Again I am taking in a regular expression and take the break tag. Again I am finding which is not presented in the script, not presented in a string, or finding that string which is not presented in this string. Means I am finding that is hi, which is not presented in this string, plus here break tag. After that, suppose I am passing one modifier, that is case insensitive modifier, dot write, and here str dot ch search. Suppose here I am taking the regular expression, but here for case insensitive, here suppose I am taking a string, as a JavaScript is a scripting language, and it is or a scripting is a powerful. Scripting is interpreted. Suppose language, it is interpreted language, and here S is a case insensitive. Suppose here I am taking language in a pattern or a regular expression, and here and take as a modifier I. Here take a break tag. Okay, this is our code. Close the script tag, close the body tag, and close the HTML tag. Save this file. And see the output of this program. In first, I am passing, take one variable, that is str, and passing or assigning value to that variable, that is JavaScript is a scripting language, and scripting is a interpreted language. And first of all, I am finding or searching the scripting. After that, I am finding or searching the scripting with the regular expression. After that, I am finding the hi, which is not present in this string. And after that, with regular expression, I am taking a modifier as a I, or a case insensitive, by using case insensitive. What will be the output? Let us see. Close the head tag and see the output of this program. This is output of our search method. 16, 16 minus 1 and 26. This is our code. In that code, first of all, I am taking one variable, that is str, and passing the string to that variable, or assigning string to that variable. First of all, we search the first scripting which is presented at the 16th position. So that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. At the 16th position it is finding. so that we can pass, first of all, it is string, or you can pass a regular expression also. And in a search method, regular expression or a string will automatically be converted to the regular expression. Here in a regular expression it returns also 16. High is not presented in the string, so that it returns -1, and language comma modifier I am taking as a I, and I is a case insensitive, or it modifies that the search to be a case insensitive, so that it returns 26 on a web page, because language, this first language is presented at the 26th position. Check this. First of all, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 2 3 4 5 and 6, 26th position. And here again one language is presented which is at that 61st position, so that it returns this language return at the 61st position, because here I am passing the modifier, that is case insensitive modifier, so that it returns the 26 on a web page. Suppose here you cannot pass the I as a modifier, and save this file and check the output. It will return the 61, because here language is presented at the 60 position, so that it returns 60. And suppose this is all about the search method. Thank you.